I'm here at Home Depot, guys. I think this is the one that I need. Not sure to cut my concrete. Not sure. I'm gonna ask this guy over here. Alright guys, we have this. We have this guys. I don't know what it is, but I mean, I should be able to use this without any issue. It's kind of crowded here. Home Depot. Just like they have like activities over there for the kids. Alright, let's go to the farm. Let's do this. It's 10:30 on Saturday, October 4, guys. So far no cracking. So far no cracking. I really like what I did over here. It's smoother than compared to the other one over there. But I don't care. You can always install a what's that now? I forgot what that thing now. But no, that's a problem. Okay. Looking great, looking great. Okay. Now, my challenge is, oh god, see, this is not easy actually. I managed to put the thing up there in my truck. My cutting saw. What do you call this thing now? I don't know. Who cares? Now I hope I can get this done by myself. Let's see. Back in the farm, guys. I had to drive almost an hour to go back to Home Depot. I broke this thing and the other one, so they gave me another one. Look, but that thing doesn't look good. Also, I have to be very careful now. Alright, so far I finished this one right here, but I have to repeat this. I believe I only made a 1 inch deep, and that thing is no good. It won't cut really well. I don't know. Maybe you have to cut it half an inch by half an inch. I don't know. We'll see. Let's restart. Let's redo. Alright guys, I'm done taking out all of my foundation frames, or the woods, you know, that I used to make the foundation, the footing and stuff. It's not that really difficult that I thought. So that part right there, this part right here, it's I already covered it with rocks, so you won't see the underneath. Like I said, there's some imperfections there and lack of experience right there. So that's the part that the concrete did not what's the word now, able to what's the word now, I forgot, guy, whatever. So anyway, yeah, it left an ugly part there, but I can manually fix that. I think I can do it myself. But anyway, this is how it looks now after Actually, I already started putting back the soil in there that I dug up. So this is how it looks like now. This is the east side of the slab. It looks great. It looks great. It looks great. I think I did a good job. And this is the north side of the slab. This is difficult, but this is the easiest. Actually, it took me maybe, I don't know, maybe 10-20 minutes to, maybe not even, to remove the frame, the woods in there. Let's see. What was that? This is the west side, which I have already done this last week. So looks good, guys. Looks good. But my cut, actually, it's not perfect. I don't go crazy about it. It's not. They're not straight, but hey, I have a cut in there. The whole purpose is to minimize the cracking. It would crack, but so far, guys, I don't see any cracking. So far so good. I'm ready. We're ready for metal garage. So I'm still waiting for my metal garage people to call me when they are going to install that thing. I was emailed and they were telling me that they are out. They are 4 to 8 weeks out. So I don't know what that means. So we're looking at December maybe. I don't know. But I'm hoping that it's not gonna grate. It's got no molds and whatever on top of this concrete slab. It looks great. It's not perfect like I said, but hey, I saved the cheapest coat I got was 6,000 to do the entire job, and to help me with the concrete pouring was 2,000 originally, he said, and then he was like, okay, I can do 1,400, and I was like, you know what, I did all of this crazy, difficult job already, and do I have to pay someone 1,400 to help me out? So that's the reason why I decided to take on the concrete pouring job myself. It wasn't tough. It was tough, but yeah, I had. If you see on my previous video, I hurt my right leg over here. I think I didn't know. I stepped on this side right here. This is the north side of the slab, and then I didn't realize there's a pouring in there, and then I was like, I almost buried my right foot in there. And, got lucky that I was able to pull it up real quick.